Play a game with me, people. Let's start with this LD white kite. And we're going to start with this weight. And I'll tell you how it goes as we go along. So right now we have 4.7. Alright, so this will be the catalyst, 4.7. Let's pick another butterfly knife and try to figure out if this is more or less than 4.7. Think about it. You know what this is. Kershaw Lucha, let me not cut myself. Alright, so let's try. More or less. 4.54. A little bit more. It's that length of handles, I guess. Cool. Next up, I got 2 curveballs, by the way. So let's go right to this. The live blade kite that you guys have seen. What do you think? More or less than 4.07? Let's see what's up. 4.14. It's a little bit heavier. Nicely. Alright, cool. Let's do that there. Nice. The brothers. Okay, next on the list we have alright, let's try the Zenith. Is it more or less? This is confusing. Is it more or less than 4.7? What do you think? Look at the construction. Alright, let's find out. 4.15? Oh, get out of here. So it's heavier. Rock and roll. Alright, what else? What do we got? Here's a curveball. I just put it in here as a decoy. I don't know if you recognize this, but I'll give you a hint. It has stainless steel handles. More or less than that. Come on, focus. Wicked. Carol Ralph, I believe. Okay, let's find out. 5.04. Okay. Alright. Gotcha. Alright. What else we got here? This is an easy one. If we can't get this one. Impulse. Damn, focus. What do you think? Easy one. 3.57. Damn, 3.57. That's nuts. Well, 4.07. That's what we're saying. Alright, let me throw you a curve. It's a paradox by cold steel. I'll give you a couple of hints. It's aluminum construction. Come on, focus. This is actually pretty beautiful. And deadly. Let's see if I can get this bad boy open. I'll kill myself. Hold on. Alright, so there she blows. 5-inch blade, hollow ground. More or less. Aluminum handles, remember, they're chunky. Even a pocket clip, oh my god. But you can't flip this. This opens manually. Alright, let's see what we got. Stay on target. He's on my ass. Stay on target. What do we got? Oh my god, 5.34. Well, it is a big knife. Damn it. Alright, last one. Oh yeah. The carry today. Mm-hmm. Well, trainer, V2, whatever. 4.07, more or less. What do you think? All right, let's try. 3.89. Yeah. So were you guys mostly on or off? Oh, time's up. Shit. Well, and there's my dream girl. Love that girl. Oh my god. Have a great night, people. Pleasant dreams. Thanks for playing with me.